Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is your first time stopping here. You are welcome. Let's make this beautiful shot together.
First thing I'm going to do here is to get my starting line, which is half an inch. So I'll mark half an inch here. I'll mark half an inch here, and I'll connect this point in a straight line. First thing I'm going to get here is the full length of my top, and the full length of my top I'm using 17. You can see it's very short, 17. Then I'll add extra 2 inches for folding, making it 19. So from that 19, I'll be minusing 2 inches, which will serve for our band. So I minus 2 inches. So I'm starting from here and taking the measurement. So 17 to minus 2 now. Then I'll have my 19 here. So I have 19 here. So I'll connect the points like this in a straight line. The next thing I'm going to get is my hip measurement, which will serve for our flap. So minus, remember I'm still minusing that 2 inches for our band. So I'm minusing 2 inches now. And to get my hip measurement or my flap measurement, depending on your size, so I'll be marking for 12 here. So I'm just going to connect it in a straight line like this. Next thing I'm going to get is my hip measurement. So my hip measurement divided by 4 is here, plus 2 inches seam allowance for the flap. So guys, on the waist area as well, I'm not making use of my waist measurement. I'm making use of my hip measurement here. So the reason why I'm using my hip measurement, not my waist, is because I am going to put an elastic band at the waist side, and you know it's a free short. It's not a body fitted or a tight short. It's very free. So that's why I'm using my hip measurement. So I'm going to connect the points like this. So remember I added 2 inches there, which will be for the flap. I'm going to connect it like this. So here I'll be dividing my flap measurement by 2 plus 1 inch seam allowance, which will be here. Then my down part laps. So here is the upper lap, here is the down, which will be the full length of the top. I will be also dividing it by 2 as well, and it will be here together like this. So you see, so this is it for our front panel. So I'll just cut it out. Get our second line, which is the half an inch. So from that starting line, I'll be coming down by 2 inches. I'll be coming down by 2 inches. So this is where I'm starting the measurement. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to get the full length of my top, which is 19. Remember we subtracted 2 inches, which is for our band. So from there, I'll have my 19 inches. So I'll be marking it 19 inches here, 19 inches here. And I'll connect the points like this. So this is it for our full length. So the next thing that I'm going to get now is to draw out all the remaining the flap. So the front and back is the same thing. So I'm just going to draw a straight line like this. So from here, I'll be going out by 2 inches. Remember, it's a free short, and I'm going out by 2 inches as well, all the way to the top here. So from here, I'm going up by 2 inches. From these dots, I'm going up by 2 inches. Reason being that the back and the front is not the same, because the back has bum bum. Don't mind me. So I'm just going to connect it like this. Then I'm going to connect this like this. Then here is going to be the curve like this. So see, this is it for the back. So here also I'm going to add extra 2 inches all the way to the full length of the short. Then I'm going to connect it like this. Level this front and level this back. So I'm just going to also trace out this place. So you see, so this is it for the front and this is it for the back. So I'm just going to cut this out. So guys, this is the front and this is the back. Remember, you'll be folding by 2. I don't know if I said it earlier. You'll be folding the front by 2. You're also folding the back also by 2. So next thing I'm going to do is keep the back aside. Then and cut out the pocket of this. So from here, I'll be going out by 3 inches. Then from here, I'll be coming down by 7 inches or 7.5. But 7 is okay. So this is going in like this. I believe you know how to pull your pocket. So it's going in like this. Then I'll be cutting another one. I'll be cutting the pocket. So that is how it's going to look once you are done sewing it. So I'll just connect this to this. So this is it. So this is it for the front, and this is it for the back. This is for the front, and this is the back. So the next thing is to cut out the pockets. So this will serve as our pocket now. Just going to show you illustration. Yeah, because I love you guys so much. So to cut out the pockets, here is it. So I'll be going in. Remember, we went in by 3 inches, and we came down by 7 inches. So I'll connect it like this. So here, I'll just get the front. So this is the front now. Let me show you how it's going to look once you're going. So this is the pocket, and I've measured it. So this is the front. So I'm just going to turn it like this. Hope you're seeing what I'm doing. So I'm just going to sew it like this. Once I'm done sewing it like this. So here will be inside, and here will be inside as well. I don't know if I should trim it off so it will be more understanding. So this is it. See, both of them now are inside. I'm just going to flip it to the front. So you see, this is it. This is it. So you see, here's the pocket, and there's the to cut out the band. Remember, we made use of the hip, which is the biggest measurement for our in our body. So our hip measurement is what I'm going to cut out now. I'll add extra 1 inch to it for folding, joining. Then for the width here, remember we subtracted 2 inches, but I'm going to get 2.5. So the half inches for folding, joining it to your fabric. So I'm cutting out 2.5. So 2.5, you mark 2.5 all the way to the length of your trouser, which is the full measurement of your hip for your hip plus the half inch. If your hip is 40, please cut 41. If your hip is 32, please cut 33. So that is it. I'll just connect all these points. So I'm just giving you illustration right now. This is not the actual measurement. That if I want to cut the band, I'll cut it on the fabric straight. So this is it for the band. So this will be for the band, and this will be for the back. So guys, if this video was really helpful, please kindly subscribe, give me a follow. Don't forget to like, comment. If you have any questions, please drop it on the comment section, and I'll be glad to answer you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.